In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix why you can't send friend requests on Facebook. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Facebook app and let's just search for a person that we want to add. So for example, this person. So as you can see, there is no add friend option here and you can send a friend request. So we can still add this person as a friend by tapping on the three dots icon just beside the message icon. And as you can see at the very top portion, you will see the add friend option. So this is because of their profile and privacy settings. So they can set their profile settings to make it look like this so that you can see the add friend icon, but instead see it here in this three dots icon option. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.